Sound vocabulary top graduate college management might change psychology arrange individual arrangement challenge enjoy subject knowledge conversation. Did you call about the job? Which job? The job of managing the travel agency. Or that job? Yes, I did. What did you find out? They want someone who graduated from college. Well, you just graduated in June. They're looking for someone who might in business management. Didn't you major in management before you changed your major to psychology? Actually, I didn't change majors. I had a double major in management and psychology. If you get a job, would you arrange travel for individuals, or would you just do group tour package, or other make all kind of travel arrangements? They want someone who's energetic and enjoy challenge. Anyone who might just into subject enjoys a challenge, and they want someone with a knowledge of foreign language. You speak Japanese, don't you? Yes, and a little German. So did you arrange for an interview? Yes, for July 6th. July 6th. Are you checking? That was yesterday. I'm not talking. I had a third interview and I got the job. Hi, congratulations. Why didn't you tell me? Exercise. My job is supporting a lot of people. My job is repairing the computer. My job is building the network. My job is teaching English everyone. My job is managing the travel agency. Thanks for watching.